Hey everyone, so guys, hope you all are good. So guys, in this videos, I am going to talk about one of the Power BI analysis, that is dynamic top in analysis. So what does it mean? If user wants to see the top in values, then only that value should be visible in the reports. Okay. So firstly, let me explain the data sets. So this is my data sets, and I have named this as sales dispatch. And guys, this is not a final data set, or you can say data model. This is the only source table. I have not separated it by fact and dimension. Okay. So here you can see that in the data sets, granular level is the date column. That's why I have created one date column and I have connected this calendar via this date column. Okay. And in this table, I have a dispatch quantity. So what does it giving? It is giving number of quantities, how much quantities has been dispatched from our store at a particular date. Okay. So what is the my question statement? Question statement is to show me the top n customer by dispatch quantity. ठीक है. Show me the top n customer by dispatch quantity. Let's say if user has selected top three values, then only shows the top third customer and how much quantities has been dispatched to that particular customer. So I think hope you have got the question. So yeah, so let me move to the solution part. For that, what I will do, firstly, I will create one measure. So in that measure, it will give me the total dispatch quantity. Okay. So let me name this as total dispatch, and it would be simply sum of dispatch quantity, sum of dispatch quantity. Okay. Now in a chart by customer. So I will drag this. Let me firstly drag a table, and in the table I will add a data. So in the data I want to add firstly this dispatch quantity, and I want one more data field, that is customer. So this is my customer. Okay. Now dispatch quantity by customer. Okay. Now what is the my next statement? Next statement is to find the top in customer. So here I have not made any drop down, or you can say any drag and drop option by which customer can select any particular number. So for that, what I will have to do, firstly I will have to create such a table in which that range should be present. For that, I have a two option. First option is to go to the modeling tab. In the modeling tab, go to the new table. In the new table, write the DAX expression for that particular table. And DAX expression would be generate series. If you don't know the generate series, then directly go to the new parameter. In the new parameter, select the numeric range. In the numeric range, give the name this as any particular name. So let me name this as top n, and data type is obviously whole number, and minimum number, it should totally depends on you. If you want to see the data or top n value from starting from 100 or 3, then it should be 3 of course, and maximum is 20. Yes. And increment, yes, increment I am not changing it. Let it be, and let's do this by increment it by 1 only. ठीक है, मतलब first value would be 1, and then 2 3 4 and so on, so on, so on. If you want to increase it by 4, then first value would be 1, and then second value would be 5, and then 9, and so on. Okay. Now let it be. Select on the create. So in the create option, so here you can see that top in this calculated table has been populated, or has been created in the data tab. Now what is the my next point? Next point is to give the this drag and drop, or you can say this drop down menu to the user. For that, what I will do, I will drag this slicer. In the slicer, I will add this top in value in here, and in the top in value, what I wanted to do, I wanted to make this drop down. So I will go in the slicer setting, and then I will simply select a drop down. Now let me select any particular number. So here you can see that I am getting all the values starting from 1 to 20. Now if user has been selected one, then he wants to see only top third customer depending on this total dispatch quantity. Okay. Now it is not happening. So what I will do, I will have to create another measure. So firstly, what is revolving in my mind? Firstly, let's give the rank to each of the customer. So we already know that for giving the rank, we will have to use the rank X DAX expression. So let me use this rank X. So let me name this as rank customer. Okay. Now rank X. So rank. This is the rank X. It's here you can see that syntax is. Let me zoom it. So yeah. So here you can see that syntax for rank X is table, expression, value, order, and ties. So I will explain each and every term. So tables. So firstly, let me use customer as one table. Okay. Now customer order by total dispatch, and then sorry, or this is expression and it should be in descending order. And this is the most important thing. What is the dense and what is the skip? So guys, a skip means if you use the skip, then in if there is any ties, firstly let me open my Excel. So here you can see that I have opened my Excel sheet, and here you can see that I am giving A as a 1, A as a rank as 1, and for B, let's say there are some there are same values. For B it will give 2 2 2 2 for each of the B, but for C we have a two option. First option is give 3 as a rank. Second option is give 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means increase it by one row. So this is the difference. So if you will use this one, a skip, then it will give you 9 as a result, and if you will use dense, then it will give you 3 as a result. So I think you got the point. Okay, now so that's why I'm using it a skip. And let me execute this and then drag and drop it here. So here you can see that I am giving like a rank has been given to each of the customer on the basis of this dispatch. And here you can see that order like I have sorted this by dispatch quantity, and this is the highest dispatch for this particular customer, and rank is 1. And let me sort by rank. And this is there is one more problem. One more problem is key, there are no any particular there are no any dispatch value for lots of customer, and we are giving some rank. So I don't want to do that. So if you don't want to do that, so for that I will have to apply a filter. So what how will I filter? If I am writing DAX, if total dispatch is greater than 0, then give me the rank. Okay, and then execute. Let me execute this. Now आप देख सकते हो कि if rank like if dispatch quantity is not blank, or if dispatch quantity is blank, then I'm not then this DAX expression is not giving any rank. Okay, if there is some values for that particular customer, then it's giving only rank. Now so what what has been executed here, it's been like I have given the rank of each of the customer on the basis of dispatch. But I don't want this. I want if user has been selected 3, then I want to see the only third value, only 3 customer. Okay, so for that what I will do, I will create one more DAX. So in the DAX I am giving let me name this as final rank. Okay, final rank customer. And let me use if what I will do is if I will use selected value top in if this is the selected value greater than equals to rank customer rank this is the rank customer. ठीक है, ये वाला मेजर जो क्रिएट किया था अर्लियर में, then give me 1, otherwise give me 0, and let me execute this. And let me explain this. What is it doing? ये क्या कर रहा है guys? Top in selected value of top in selected value, here you can see that I have selected 3. तो जहां पे 3 greater than equals to rank customer दे दिया. अब देख रहा है 3 is greater than 1, yes. 3 is greater than 2, yes. 3 is greater than equals to 3, yes. बट 4 इज नॉट ग्रेटर देन, मतलब बस यहीं तक रिजल्ट देगा मुझे, इसके अलावा कोई भी रिजल्ट नहीं देगा. What I will do, simply I will go in the filter tabs and I will drag this measure, and simply I will put this should be equals to 1. and then apply filter. Now here you can see that whenever I applied this as a one, only three customer is showing. All of the customer has been removed. And let me check by selecting top five. Now here you can see that yes, we are getting only top five customer. So now I don't want this rank. I want only customer and dispatch. So I will what I will do. I will remove this rank. So let me remove this. Yes. So I think this is the my final solution which user is interested, which user was interested. So 12, 13, whatever. It totally depends on user. So whatever results wants to see the customer, they can see the results. So I think this is the end of this videos. So thank you guys. Thanks for watching these videos. We'll meet in next videos. Jai Hind.